Hello, and welcome to the show. Psychiater here with another LEGO Creations video, and today we're getting into that Halloween spirit. I'm bringing back some of those subscriber requests from last year, maybe even some from the year before. I'm going to culminate them in together and make you a very wunderbar Halloween experience. Today I bring you the Black Cat. I believe I had written down Scared Black Cat, which your typical Scared Black Cat has, the very drastic arched back with the straight up tail. Well, this one is kind of a play on to that, where you have a very scared or worried looking eye set and still have the scared poofy tail. But it will all make sense in the end. I have a idea how to bring all the creations together for the Halloween thing and make a large visual. As usual, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.